guys, how you all doing? This is weird. I literally haven't done a video in 2 months. All the videos that you're seeing each week now are from basically 2 months ago, but I'm spreading them through each week. I said that previously. Yeah, it's not going to be a very good video this time, but I will explain why. So please stay with us till the end, because I've got a slight problem which could also affect the channel. Harvey wanted to say hello first, so we'll get Harvey out the way.
Hello.
Who are you saying hello to? Everybody?
Of course.
Everybody watching?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Lily going to say hello?
No. Say hello.
No. Lily's here, she don't want to say hello.
Yeah.
Right, you're gonna go in room.
We're going to go down then so I can talk through this.
Right, let Daddy go in room.
Yeah.
No, stay right here.
No, go in
Because
room
Daddy's got to
because
talk about
you're
this.
sitting on Daddy's bed legs.
Right, anyway.
Go in room, babe. You go watch them in there.
Firstly, before we start, we have had some new subscribers. We're over the 400 subscriber mark now, so thank you all so much. I mean, we've lost about 3 in the past week. I'm not sure if that's to do with YouTube. I don't know. So if it is, just go back and check if you're subscribed or not. If it's took you off, because YouTube are doing some weird things lately. Just go back on and see if you're subscribed. If not, just resubscribe again. It's just YouTube playing stupid games. So anyway, it's all about my leg, this video, and it's obviously going to be interrupting the camping videos. Don't be going anywhere yet, because the camping videos, I've still got loads to put on. So this is just basically splitting it for now, but I thought I'd best let you know I've actually been dreading doing this video, because I haven't recorded for about, say about 6 to 8 weeks since our last trip. And obviously it's getting back into it, and to be honest, with what's got to happen has basically put me off. Not off YouTube, but just put me off from recording for a bit. But I've got an update for my leg. So before we get into the update, for people that don't know, who are new subscribers who haven't watched the previous videos of what's happened, basically a year ago, next week, I broke my left leg in 4 places. And basically, I've had an operation. They've put a pin in my bone. 3 of the bones have healed. 1 of them hasn't, which is your main like shin bone, but it's just below my knee. So now this is where we get into the problem now. So if any of you want to actually look and see what detail and how I did it and that, go back and check the videos from last year. They'll be on there. I know I've got to do a playlist so it's easier for people to look, but I just haven't got round to doing it. But this is the bad news. Because the one specific bone hasn't healed, I have to have a cage fitted. And I don't know when that's going to be yet, because the NHS are very, very, very badly backlogged at the minute. So it might not even be this year. And I'll get back into that in a minute while we haven't camped for a while so far. But basically they've got to take everything out that they've already done and basically wrap a cage around. But the cage is going to be outside my leg. So, and the problem is with that now is that cage is going to be on my leg. The doctor has told me between 9 and 12 months. So when it comes to the camping, that may be put on hold for, well, for quite some time. So the videos are not going to be as regular as they would be, like once a week. Obviously this video I should have done Friday. It's now Sunday today. This will be going on today. And I've just not been up to videoing really because of all this going on, and plus we've got other problems on top as well, so I've just not been in the right place to do a video. Some of you may already know about this because I've obviously explained it through messaging people and that, but yeah, so that's where we stand. I've got to have another operation, obviously, to put the cage on, take everything out, but the worst part is they have told me that they've got to shave the bone to obviously get it linking up better, but because the other bones are healed, it may come to a point where they've got to re-break one of my bones, possibly, don't know if it's going to happen, to line them up right. So yeah, it is going to be a big operation. They have told me around 4 to 5 hours for the operation, I've got to go back on the 9th, which is Wednesday. Obviously, hopefully they might be able to say when about it'll be, but don't know when it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be this year. We'll have to wait and see. We don't know anything until the 9th, but I'll update you as obviously time goes on. So the videos, I'm not going to be doing like videos once a week or anything like that like I did before, because it bores people, and they were quite boring videos before. So I'm just going to do a video as an update probably once a month, and if I've got anything to record, if I've got any reviews, I've got a review here to do. I've got a couple of other reviews I want to do anyway, so that'll be extra. I've still got loads of camping videos. At the minute, for videos, we're fine. We're fine for a good couple of 2 or 3 months, I'd say, for video footage. Plus, obviously, my mum, she's done some videos as well when she went down to Devon with me auntie, Susan, her sister. So I've got to sort that out with my mum, get them sent over so I can edit them and put them on at some point, but they're going to be the ones at the back. So when our camping videos are finished, they'll be the other ones at the end. So there's still a little something. I've got another sticker coming as well. Got another sticker coming. Don't know when. He did say he sent it off, so I'm just waiting for that to turn up. But yeah, so I thought I'd just give you all an update. And I don't want to be jabbing on too much, to be fair. You can see Lily's hair there, look. Andrew's playing outside, but we've got to get tidied up a little bit today. Not sure if you can see. Well, you won't see. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's full of your toys, really, isn't it?
Especially Harvey's bedroom.
Yeah, get your bedroom cleaned. Sort all your toys out, because he's bought half his toys downstairs, so he's got a tub of them over there. Hoover up. No, tidy your room.
What?
You've got to tidy your room.
Tina wants to tidy your room.
Cleaning day today, of all days. And you know what? We've had nothing but rain, and today it's sunny and we're cleaning. Oh well.
It's raining at 7 though, isn't it?
No. So yeah, so that's where we stand at the minute. So, and obviously now, we can't really go camping at the minute, and I'll tell you why. The last camping trip we done, yeah, the car can't tow the caravan now. The car that we've got now, you've seen them on Deo. Because we went to that home farm, which you've seen in previous video. We've gone there again. This is a video coming up. That's what I'm saying. None of yous disappear, because we've still got camping videos coming after this one, which will be, well, this week, next week, Friday. So, basically, I got put on a different pitch this time, and there was a bit of a slope. So I was reversing the caravan up. I had the clutch fully up, and the car wasn't pushing it. So the clutch virtually nearly went. But they managed to put me on a pitch I was on previously. So no, I can't even remember if I've actually mentioned it in the video that's coming for that. I'm not sure. But basically, the clutch probably needs replacing. And that's one of the reasons why, obviously, we haven't been nowhere, because it's just risking it with the car in case the clutch goes. So, yes, we are going to be getting a different car. One, it's going to benefit me because I need an automatic, so it's going to relieve a bit of pressure off my leg. So I know a lot of people say, oh, but when you're towing it's best to have a manual, but because of my health conditions with my leg, when it's a long drive and if you stop and start, I mean, wherever you go nowadays, here in the UK, if you was from the UK, but here in the UK at the minute, there is roadworks everywhere. Stop and start traffic everywhere. And it's just extra pressure on my leg. And obviously, we need a big car. As you've all seen in the videos, how much stuff we take, we may as well just pick the house up and put it on the roof of the car. Wherever we go, we take a hell of a lot of stuff, a hell of a lot. Even if it's in a static, the boot on that Mondeo is rammed to the roof. So, yeah, we'd need a bigger car. So if you've seen, like, a car like Mel's got, it'll be similar like that, but an automatic. I know it's not going to be best for towing, but unfortunately, I really haven't got a choice because of my leg. And that way it's going to be easier for me And obviously because I've got sciatica as well, it's going to be easier for me to get in and out of because the car's higher, because I struggle getting... I'm alright getting in because I just basically throw myself in it. You know, I'll open the door and just poof, in. But it's getting out. You're grabbing hold of it like that and dragging yourself out trying to get out of the car. So, basically, that's what's going to be happening. So, obviously, can't use the Caravan at the minute. Obviously, can't use the tent because of my leg anyway. I don't really want to be driving the car too far because of the clutch. And I would replace it all until I realise what the price of it is. Because if the clutch needs replacing, which it does, because there's no proof, I don't think the cam belt's been done neither. So if you think that's going to be a lot of money, cam belt, full clutch system, water pump, and then I think I've got some sort of like whining noise as well, like I'm not sure if it's a wheel bearing or anything, and plus obviously I've got an electrical problem with it because my back windows now don't work. One of them didn't work, now both ain't working. So yeah, it's basically going to cost me near enough the same to get that repaired as it would just to get another car, but this car will be bigger, so it's going to be a lot easier for us and a lot easier for me to get in and out of and drive, and we'll have all the space as well. So that's why everything's getting quite delayed now. So I just thought I'd give you all an update of what's going to be happening, because I don't want to be saying nothing to yous and then suddenly there's no videos. So at the minute you're all okay for videos. There's loads of camping videos to come. I've got them all on my phone, because obviously I do everything on my phone. Don't use a computer or everything. I record on here, they save on my phone, and then obviously I edit them and then upload them to YouTube through my phone. Harvey. So yeah, so that's what's happening. So whoever don't know, like I said, look back at the videos from last year to see in detail what actually happens. And then obviously not sure when it's going to be yet. Obviously I've got to go on Wednesday on the 9th, get this checked, but there is going to be a cage. I mean, this time I don't want to be boring anybody. I will try and get a video out as best as I can when I can, but it isn't going to be as often. So obviously I might put a little community tab thing on every so often, maybe make sure you all know we're all okay and things, but you know, I don't think any of you really are going to want to see a cage around my leg, because obviously you're going to see the pins and, you know, I'm dreading actually going to be looking at it, but whatever the case, as long as it heals this time, I'm not too bothered. So yeah, so I've got some big changes coming, and obviously with the channel, I'm a little bit gutted because our channel's getting there quite nicely now, but then obviously it's going to slow down again like it did the first time when we wasn't doing much recording. So at this minute in time, we could really do with all your help. All the people that's not subscribed, get down and subscribe. Even if you wait till the end of this video, there's a little thing there with a hand pointing at. If you click that on our logo, it will come up with a subscribe. You know, because everybody, it means so much to us if you can, because obviously, I mean, there's plenty of videos to come. I might not be till next year, so if that's the case, then once we've got the new car, we will be going away as much as we can, so we can get some more footage in and make the most of it, because when I've got this cage on for a year, well, I can get round and about, but obviously I'm not going to be going camping or anything, am I? So, oh, Tina's here. Shoot, what were you doing anyway?
I went to Becky's.
Oh, she went to Becky's down the road. But yeah, so I don't know what else to tell you apart from, you know, it's going to be different changes. Once it's healed, we'll be back, but the problem is, that's what I haven't mentioned. Once it has done what it's got to do, and hopefully it heals this time, if they do it properly, it should, then there's got to be another operation to remove it all. So however long then that will take to heal, hopefully not as long. So yeah, there's going to be a bit of a break in the videos eventually, but obviously I'll let you know when that's going to be, when it comes, because obviously when I know a date I've got to go in for it, I'll let yous know. So anyway, I'm not going to drag on talking. It's been nearly 15 minutes now. I just wanted to update you all about what's going on.
Have you told them now if that operation don't work?
No, I won't say that, not until it happens. So, yeah. So that's all I've got for you at the minute. Next video we'll be back at camping. We're at the Skirlington campsite. Well, not now, as you can see. We're at home like we have been past 6 to 8 weeks, whatever it's been. So don't be leaving us just yet. We need all the help we can get. Because we're on 406 or something now. I was on 409. We need to build. We need to get better. I mean, obviously we're going to delay, and obviously it's going to be back to getting into YouTube. But we need as much support as we can right now, especially when I have this done. Need everybody's support. And as you all know, we love you all to bits, and it means a lot to us, a hell of a lot. So, love and leave yous. Little update for you about what's going to be happening. But we'll get there. We will get there slowly. Obviously, I'm gutted that it hasn't already happened, but we'll get there. And then when we're there, we can start doing more again. Once my leg's better and hopefully it's healed, then we can start going on walks and doing more things, so it'll be even better. But good thing is, as well, when it's not camping, I'll be saving some money, so I could probably get like me drone that I said about getting. And when we're at a nice place, I can get the drone up, some nice drone footage. So, see how things go, shall we? But anyway, thank you all so much for joining. I hope you stayed till the end. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget, check if you're subscribed, because YouTube have been, I'm not sure if it's YouTube or what, I don't know what's going on. Some people subscribe and then suddenly they just disappear. So get over there and check and see if you're subscribed. If you're not, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It's all completely free as well. And we'll see you all very, very soon. You all take care. Love you all to bits. Ta-da!